Tenant states, my washer stopped mid-cycle and won't turn back on. Ew. Look at all that fluff. Alright, what we're looking for is that drain pump right there on the white at the bottom and that accordion tube. There's most likely something stuck in the drain tube or in that drain pump, and so we got to remove that accordion style pipe and dislodge or pull out whatever's in there. So we're going to take these clamps, clamp the pipe closed so it doesn't let much water out, pull the pipe off, remove the item, put it back on, and take the clamps off. Sometimes I put a lot of faith in these clamps that they'll hold back all the water. You can quickly tell I realize I put too much faith in these clamps because it just started dumping water. Holy crap, that is a lot of water. I gotta move fast. Whew, got it stopped. But I left a huge mess behind. And so I gotta wipe all that up. This, just for this stupid little sock. It sucks because I now had to move the washer and the dryer to wipe up all the water underneath them, but I may at least get all this water drained from the machine so I don't have to worry about it anymore. Before we finish, we're going to check this water level sensor just to make sure it's clear. It is a little dirty, but it is clear. I'm going to clear out the little box with a makeshift paper clip. Fill it back up and drain it just to ensure that it's not going to have any issues. This was a bit messy of a repair, but it is all tightened up, finished. They won't have any issues with it, so this one's good to go.